Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to check incognito history in Google Chrome. Let's dive right in. Opening an incognito tab in Google Chrome. First, let's learn how to open an incognito tab in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the New Incognito tab option from the menu. A new incognito tab will open on your screen. Checking incognito history in Google Chrome. Now, let's see how you can check the incognito history on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and tap on the search bar. Type Chromerals into the search bar. Tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A list of Chrome URLs will appear on your screen. Select Chrome History from the list. You will now see all the incognito history on Google Chrome. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.